Welcome back. What we're now going to do is to go back to our settings area, and then we're going to click on this link that says About Your Shop. Now this is where you want to write in your owner profile as well as any other individuals that you're going to have working inside of your store. You can add in a photo, the name, and then the role of the individual that you're going to be adding. Once you've added in your bio information and then the role and then the name, what you can do is you can then click Save. What you'll notice then is that you have another link here, and you can click this link to add another shop member. So if you have another individual that's working with you inside of your Etsy store, you can add this individual here in this area. And as you can see, we've added in another individual. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to add in the rest of your team that are working on your products for your store. You'll then see one tab over that you can click on this tab that says Story. And this is where you can add in information about the nature of your store. Now for the sake of this video, we are not going to write a long message, but you want to include as much information that will be helpful to make people confident about their purchase with your store. And before we move on to the process, we're going to make sure that we have all of our information saved. So we're going to skip all the way to the bottom. We're then going to click Save. What you can then do is you can add in a shop video. And so if you have a shop video that's representative of what you want to say about your business, you can add one here in this area, and it can be an AVI file or MP4 file. That will take a few minutes in order for your video to process. So while your video is processing, what you can do is you can move to the next section. You'll see here that you can add in photos about your store. And basically what you can do in this section is you can add in 5 photos representative of what you provide, and then you can create captions for each one of the images. Now what you're going to want to be mindful of these photos is that they're all going to be displayed at 760 by 468, so you don't want to make them too large. In fact, what you can do is you can go inside of your photo editing program, you can make sure that they fit these dimensions and then upload them to Etsy. Once you've added your photos, you can then click Save Changes. You can also add in links to other related sites. You have the choice of adding in a Facebook link, Twitter link, Instagram link, Pinterest link, your blog, and then also your website. So what you'll notice is that you can add in as many of them as are going to be relevant to your particular store. And once you have them in, you can then click Save. Once you've done that, you can view your About Your Shop page, and then you can see what it is that you have available for your customers to see. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.